Tuesday, lesson number 4. We're in unit 6. So back to addition, subtraction, kinds of things. Now in this one, if you remember, we're doing the less than, greater than, equal to, or greater than, less than, equal to. So that alligator wants to eat more kind of analogy. I think we talked about that when you're little. The alligator, if that's his mouth and those are his teeth, he wants to eat the bigger one. So it's getting used to putting in those comparisons. So 34 is less than 86. 97 is greater than 67. 653 is less than 663. And 875 is greater than 587. So you can do the rest of them on your own. Should be pretty easy. This one, greatest to least, meaning we're going to have the largest one first. So the largest one would be 81, then 69, then 20. And these you're doing from least to greatest. So the smallest would be 787. Then you would have 1,642. And then the biggest one would be 2,245. So not too bad on that one. Same here. If we were at school, we would have more of a discussion. So David has 5 marbles, Anna has 8 marbles. How many more marbles does Anna have than David? Well, it's just finding the difference. So it'd be 3 marbles. So how many fewer marbles does David have than Anna? So, or how many more marbles does Anna have? 3 marbles. How many fewer? That's also 3 marbles. And then there's this comparison drawing. So you're thinking, well, the comparison is the difference, which is 3, because if you were to have 5 and 3, that would be 8, and 8 would be equal to 3. So you're just filling in those last 2 in the same way. And then you're applying them to word problems on page 403. So Maribel has 18 stickers. Aaron has 13 more stickers. How many stickers does Aaron have? So if Maribel has 18, but Aaron has 30 more than her, 13 more than her, you have to recognize that the equation, sorry, that looked like a 4, is going to be 18 plus 13. So 8, 9, 10, 11. I'd have to carry that 1 or regroup it into the tens. So 31 stickers. Aaron has 31 stickers. Maribel has 13 fewer stickers. So you're just doing fact family work here. So if you were to go over, if Aaron has 31 and she has 13 fewer, knowing that there's a fact family, you would have an answer of 18. So not too bad. All right, have fun with this one. Should be quick, and the IXLs are pretty quick too. Just comparison kind of stuff. Greater than, less than stuff.